Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video is going to be a cleaning video. I wanted to give you guys some cleaning motivation given that it is Monday after a holiday weekend. My house is completely trashed, so we're just going to jump into it. This is going to be a cleaning video that focuses on my living room, my dining room, and mainly my kitchen. This isn't a deep clean by any means and not even really a thorough clean. I just wanted to go through the main living areas of the home and kind of do like a quick once over and a quick sweep through. I'm super excited. Today is day 2 of my 12 days of Christmas where I am uploading a video every day for 12 days to get everybody excited for the holiday season, motivated, inspired, just to be the best version of yourself. So I'm super, super excited for that. Please subscribe if you're new. I'd love to have you part of my little YouTube family. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it so I know that you like it. I will make sure to have the playlist for the 12 days of Christmas linked down below and at the end of this video, so you can definitely check out the other videos in the playlist. So with all that being said, I'm going to let some music play and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, please keep in mind this is not a deep clean. This is just kind of like a good once over, and I hope you enjoy the cleaning motivation. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart and I will see you next time.
When it hurts like this, we climb the greatest heights, jump down and have a fight, and that's all we'll ever like, but that can never change my mind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. Yeah. When it hurts like this, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, when it hurts like this, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, when it hurts like this. We hold each other high, but we fall 1,000 times. But I'd never say goodbye or ever leave this stuff behind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. Yeah. When it hurts like this, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, when it hurts like this, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, when it hurts like this. Faded in this dark and smoky room, way out, face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but I don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna fuck this whole thing up like I do every time. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'm fire in my heart, yeah.
Hey guys, so I just wanted to pop in here quick again and explain to you kind of the chaos that is my kitchen. So if you are new here or this is just your first time tuning in a while, we actually painted our countertops about a week and a half ago, and we are unable to use the countertops, I guess, like to like heavy use. We can use them light use, but we're not able to use like the full range of our countertops for about 2 weeks. So that's why my microwave is on the floor and my kitchen is just in complete chaos because we've kind of been living in this like faux kitchen. um, so yeah, to give you a timeline, we painted the countertops and then last week my daughter came down terribly, terribly ill and we were in the doctor's office in and out. Um, and then Thanksgiving hit. So my kitchen really took a beating. So I'm going to clean it, but I just wanted to pop in quick and kind of give you a reason as to why the kitchen looks really disheveled and as to why my microwave is on the floor.
In the quiet, all my thoughts run free. So I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. I should stop before I'm in too deep and I can't go back. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I fire in my heart, yeah. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I fire in my heart, yeah.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a kill a dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no. We run and go still every time. Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh,
try to move on, but you're the one that I dream about. I sit alone in my room, drawing up pictures of blue skies. We've been apart for so long, I'm always replaying all the pictures and memories stacked up in my head. I wish I could let you go, I wish I could just forget you. I can never shake you off. You're stickier than my super glue. I can never shake you off. I'm always trying to get rid of you. I'm never shaking you off. I don't wanna shake you. My friends are saying move on, I know I don't belong in this fantasy world I put you and me in. I cover up both my ears, cause right now, baby, it's working. It's working. Never shake you off. You're stickier than the super glue. I can never shake you off. I'm always trying to get rid of you. I'm never shaking you off. I'm never shaking you off. I'm never shaking. I'm never shaking. I'm never shaking. I don't wanna shake you off. I don't wanna shake you off. I don't wanna shake you.
I wanna know your dark side. I wanna know your secrets. I wanna be your lifeline. So I wait for you, wait for me. Wait for you, wait for me. Tell me you're more than just a highlight. Pretty pictures on the outside. I hate to stare at you through these lights. So I wait for you, wait for me. Wait for you, wait for me. Click and scroll, I can't